In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all blocked members on LinkedIn group. Before we begin, a quick note on access. You'll need to be a group owner or manager to see the blocked members list. Regular group members won't have these controls. I'm demonstrating this on a desktop browser, which is the most reliable way to access LinkedIn's full group management tools. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that manages the group you want to review. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website to open it. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. If not, take a moment to log in so you can proceed smoothly. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the left-hand side panel. Find and click Groups. This opens your Groups hub, where you'll see the communities you belong to and any that you manage. If you manage multiple groups, take a second to pick the one you want to review today. Choosing the correct group ensures you're looking at the right member list and settings. Inside your selected group, look for the option labeled Manage Group. Click it to open the admin dashboard. This is where all the behind-the-scenes tools live: membership controls, moderation settings, requests, and more. Give the page a moment to load fully so you see the latest data. In the Management area, locate the Membership section and select Blocked. This view shows every member who has been blocked from the group. You'll see names listed here when there are blocked profiles. If your group hasn't blocked anyone, you'll see a clear message indicating there are no blocked members. This page is helpful for quick audits, confirming past moderation actions, and ensuring your group's membership policies are being followed consistently. That's the full process. Go to LinkedIn, open Groups from the left panel, choose your group, enter Manage Group, and then open the Blocked section to review the list. If something looks different on your screen, LinkedIn may have updated the layout, but the labels and locations are generally similar. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser, verify you're signed into the right admin account, and refresh the page if data seems outdated. With these steps, you can confidently check your group's blocked members anytime and keep your community running smoothly.